Sara Chacon was born in the United States. She has American nationality. By profession, she is best known as a social media star and actress, model. She completes her master's in science at high school and college. She has more followers on her Instagram. She is known for her lip-sync videos, funny and romantic videos. Her social media accounts have a massive fan following and millions of followers. Sara has not revealed any information about her parents to the public. If we are talking about her net worth income, according to social media reports, Sara Chacon net worth income is $300,000. Her height is 5.7 feet. Her weight is 68 kilograms. Her eye color is dark brown. Her hair color is blonde.